Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the phone supports Face ID and that your UPI app is updated. Once done, open the app and navigate to security settings. Choose Face ID for payments and grant camera and biometric permissions when prompted. You will be asked to verify with your existing UPI PIN, so enter it now. Make sure the front camera is unobstructed and your face is well lit. This initial authorization links your biometric to the payment authentication process securely. You now proceed through the scan flow. Position your face in the oval and slowly turn your head when the app asks, repeating expressions as instructed so the system captures sufficient angles. Once the scan completes, the app will ask you to confirm Face ID for transaction approval, and to set a fallback method, choose UPI PIN as a backup. Keep your movements natural. This improves accuracy. After confirmation, run a small test transaction under a low amount to verify the biometric flow works correctly. You finish by executing a small UPI payment using Face ID to confirm the setup. When prompted, authenticate with your face, then enter the UPI PIN fallback if required. If the transaction fails, recheck camera permissions, lighting, and clean the lens, then re-enroll your face with clear, relaxed expressions. Once done, if problems continue, record any error codes and contact the app support team. They can reset biometric linkage. Remember, re-enrolling usually resolves mismatch issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.